Hi, this is Leah from Ways to Play, and today I want to share how we bring sensory play to our play kitchen. It's apple season, and I'm always shocked when my kids stay with me through the entire process of making apple pie. I think for sure they're going to get bored, but they stay from cutting and peeling the apples to eating the apple pie, and they love it. They also love to bring their experiences into their play. So I've created a sweet apple pie sensory bin, and I've paired it with their play kitchen. For the sensory bin filler, I used oats, but you can use anything you have on hand, like rice, beans, or even kinetic sand. I used red and green pom-poms to represent the red and green apples. I will save this sensory bin in a plastic container and switch out the red and green pom-poms for orange pom-poms in October to make pumpkin pie. Here I have the recipe and the price. You have this awesome feature, a to-go window. You can see one apple pie that has the lattice crust, and then I just have a sheet of crust as well. So lots of options. And this will get messy. You have oats, pom-poms, pipe cleaners, a scoop, a whisk, and a rolling pin. They can pretend rolling out the dough, following the recipe by either matching or counting. So if your child is working on number recognition, this is a laminated sheet. So you can write out the numbers of each ingredient, and your child can count out how much to add into their mixing bowl or their pie pan. And then I have a few extras like sprinkles, even though we don't put sprinkles in our apple pie. They love playing with that. Has a nice, I put some rice in it, so it has a nice shake to it. You will need 2 pieces of felt to make the dough. Trace the bottom and the top of the pie pan and then cut them out. I used pinking shears for the larger circle to make it look like the crimped crust, and regular scissors for the bottom of the crust. If you want to make the lattice crust, you'll need 6 pieces of felt that measure 5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. Once I cut out all 6 pieces, I rounded the edges to make them fit on the pie pan. This is what all 6 pieces look like. To make the pumpkin pie crust, I traced a circle in the center of the larger circle. I used the pinking shears to cut the large circle and then folded it in half and used regular scissors to cut out the center. For the apple pie crust, I wanted to make a cute little design, so I folded it into a quarter and then cut 2 little notches. Then I unfolded it, folded it again so that the uncut pieces were at the top, and cut 2 more notches. Here you can see the pumpkin pie crust and the apple pie crust. To make a lattice crust, take the 6 pieces and put the curved edges along the sides and weave the pieces in and out. Here are more ways to play. They also enjoy serving coffee and tea, using the Play cash register, and taking orders on the phone. Once they've mixed their ingredients and added them to the pie pan, they can put it in the Play oven and then serve it through the window. So this setup will work for any age. You can just focus on pouring, mixing, scooping, matching ingredients, counting ingredients. If your child is older, they can make a lattice crust by weaving the pieces of dough, which are actually pieces of felt, together. And then you can work on using pretend money as well. I also keep an oven mitt and their aprons next to the play kitchen as well for more fun. And that's our sweet apple pie sensory bin at the play kitchen. Thanks for watching.